Tropical Cyclone Fani, the most severe storm to hit the Indian subcontinent in 2 decades, has made landfall on the coast of the eastern state of Odisha, India. The extremely severe storm, bearing winds of up to 185 kilometers per hour, barreled into the small city of Puri, home to about 200,000 people, about 8 a.m. local time on Friday. According to the India Meteorological Department, the severe cyclonic storm Fani over coastal Odisha moved further north-northeastwards with a speed of about 27 kilometers per hour in the last 6 hours. The severe cyclonic storm is over West Bengal near latitude 22.5 north and longitude 87.9 east, triggering heavy rainfall and uprooting trees. The severe cyclonic storm Fani over coastal Odisha moved further north-northeastwards with a speed of about 27 kilometers per hour in the last 6 hours. It is very likely to move further north-northeastwards and emerge into Bangladesh on 4th of May 2019 evening as a cyclonic storm with wind speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, gusting to 90 kilometers per hour. This is a 4-day time-lapse video of Tropical Cyclone Fani, the most severe storm to hit India in 2 decades, making landfall off the coast of the eastern state of Odisha, India. HVN meteorologists will continue to track severe storms and cyclones in this region, so please click on the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and bell for notification of new video updates.